Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I am Neena, and today, on the 4th of July 2024, we are focusing on the recent developments in the cardamom market. In the past week, cardamom prices across major markets have experienced a downward trend as buyers remain cautious. The price for small cardamom has seen a reduction due to an increase in market arrivals and a slight uptick in supply. The average price per kilogram has decreased to 2,039 rupees to 2,071, compared to the previous average of 2,124 rupees. The highest recorded price per kilogram has fallen to 2,700 rupees from 2,799 rupees in the last session. This drop in prices coincides with recent weather developments in the major cardamom growing regions, which have received abundant rainfall. The rainfall this week was 20% lower than the long period average, improving the overall rainfall deficit to 26% from 35% the previous week. This reduction in deficit is expected to benefit crop growth in the long term. Arrivals of cardamom in the markets have surged from 46,047 kilograms to 86,605 kilograms as both trading centers resumed operations. The offtake also increased to 44,203 kilograms from the previous session's 42,203 kilograms. The offtake rate improved to 96%, up from 94.3%, reflecting a heightened demand. Grade-specific rates have also shown a decline, paralleling the drop in bulk prices. Currently, 7 mm grades are priced between 2,040 rupees and 2,100 rupees per kilogram. 7 to 8 mm grades are priced between 2,240 rupees and 2,300 rupees per kilogram, and grades 8 mm and above are valued between 2,460 rupees and 2,620 rupees per kilogram. As the weather conditions favor better crop development, the cardamom market is likely to see fluctuations in prices and supply dynamics in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed analysis on Ajastro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights on commodities. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.